Hello, welcome back. If you're watching this, you've probably tried meditation before in your life and said, hey, it's not for me. I try, I visualize the future, and then I wake up and go back to my same life. Nothing ever changes. My friends, I am here to tell you 3 key steps that you can do when you meditate to help you manifest that life that you so want and that you deserve. Hi, my name is Bethel, and I love to give practical tips so you can live a life of bliss, love, and freedom that you deserve. Meditation is an amazing tool that we as individuals have to help change the brain chemistry of who we are, how we think, what we say. Meditation helps us create space in our brain so we can become aware of our own thoughts, our own feelings, and then we can decide if it works for us or doesn't work for us. It is that silence that helps us know who we truly are. With consistent meditation, we can change the brain chemistry in our heads to help us achieve the life that we want to, but only if you allow it to. Meditation is not wishful thinking. It's not positive affirmations. It is not, oh, gee, I hope this happens. If you are a spiritual person and we're taught to pray, it's not you beg into some higher source for the things that you want to desire. It is an active process that lasts much longer than maybe the 10 minutes you might spend actively within a meditation. I'm going to give you 3 tips on how you can make meditation more effective in your life. First one, start every day with a visualization manifestation. See how you want that day to look. Feel it. Dream big, my friends. Reach for stars. Make things happen that are outside your comfort zone. Visualize it has already happened, already as the wish has been fulfilled. Live life like you've already done it. Spend 10-15 minutes starting your day this way. And it's not just seeing it. You have to embrace the emotions of it. For example, think of maybe a time in your life that you won something. How did you feel at that moment? What kind of emotions were coming up for you? Take those emotions and add it to your manifestation meditation every morning. So you're going to start your morning with a meditation where you feel how you want to manifest your life. Then you have to carry it on throughout your day. When you catch yourself falling into old patterns of beliefs or old patterns of actions, you need to stop, pause, ask yourself, how would the future me, who is within that desired manifested state that you thought of that morning, would act? Think of that visualization of the emotions and allow it to fill your soul. And then go and take the next step in your day with the new self that you have committed to be. And then the third step, my friends, is at night. Think about your growth that you've done during the day. Celebrate those. Think about the things that maybe didn't go the way you want and change the story to make it feel like it did. Goal here is to create the feeling of success, the feeling of already living in the life that you desire and choose. And your thoughts create power. No thoughts are empty. And some of the most powerful times that you can meditate are right before you go to sleep. Fall asleep envisioning this wonderful new life of yours, while envisioning this wonderful new you, who you are. and allow it to change the brain chemistry. You're going to wake up the next morning a brand new person. No, I kid. But you're going to wake up the next morning and notice small changes. Over time, those small changes are going to compound. And before you know it, will be a completely different person than you were before, because you are telling the universe what you want. And the universe is waiting, my friend, to give you everything that you want. But you have to do the work. You have to ask for it. You need to think those empowering thoughts. You need to act in inspiring ways and do things that your new higher self, the one you visualize as wanting to be, as already doing it. Be consistent in this, because consistency will get you to where you are going. Now, there is no end. It is all about progressing and learning. And that's where the magic happens. It is in that learning that you're going to realize you've done things you've never thought you could. It's not about the end result. The end result, who knows what it looks like? But you know what it felt like because you did something you never thought possible before that you could do. The magic is there waiting for you to embrace it. Doesn't mean you won't have some hard times. It is in those hard times that you are going to realize who you're becoming, who you want to be or don't want to be. It is in those hard times where the life is going to show you what works and what doesn't work for you. A mantra that I love to say is life is always working out for me. Even when it feels like life is beating you down, it is just a way to show you what still gets to shift and heal inside of yourself. If you allow it, life will help you become the person you came to this earth to be. You get to be the change that you want to see in this world. You can choose. You can choose the comfort of doing the same thing every day and getting the same results, or you can choose to do new things and create the new life you deserve. The universe is waiting for you to ask. The universe is waiting for you to take that inspired action and be consistent in it. Your new self deserves it. The world deserves it, because as you embrace who you came to this earth to be, the world is going to change as well. And that is the glory of being who you came to this earth to be. For you to live a life of bliss and passion, and to let that bliss and passion trickle over to others around you. You deserve this. You deserve to wake up and live this life you've always wanted. You can do it. I believe in you. You are not alone. Make sure you surround yourself in people that believe in you as well. Comment below and share your successes with me, and I will always be here for you and cheer you on as you go about this. You've got this. I believe in you. You can do it. Remember, when it gets hard, that is the blessing. Don't let it stop you. Be the change you came to see.